Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, step outside, and look up at the sky. But something's wrong, terribly wrong. The moon, that peaceful, silver companion we've gazed at for our entire lives, is now 10 times larger than normal, filling half the sky, and it's getting closer. This isn't a dream, this is the beginning of the end. Today we're going to explore the most catastrophic scenario in human history. What if the moon crashed into Earth? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, we explore mind-bending scientific scenarios that push the boundaries of imagination. But I need to warn you, what you're about to hear isn't just entertaining, it's genuinely terrifying. Don't worry though, the moon is safely orbiting 384,400 kilometers away, and it's not going anywhere. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into this cosmic nightmare together. And hey, if this video blows your mind, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Before we destroy the world, let's understand what we're dealing with. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, and it's been orbiting our planet for approximately 4.5 billion years. It's not small either. With a diameter of 3,474 kilometers, the moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth. And it weighs 73 trillion tons. That's 73 with 18 zeros after it. Now here's something most people don't realize. The moon isn't just a beautiful nightlight, it's literally the reason complex life exists on Earth. The moon stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, controls ocean tides, and even slows down Earth's rotation. Without it, Earth would be a chaotic, uninhabitable mess, which makes what's about to happen even more tragic. So what could possibly knock the moon out of its stable orbit? Scientists have theorized a few scenarios. Imagine a rogue planet from deep space hurtling through our solar system at incredible speed, passing close enough to the moon to disrupt its gravitational balance. Or perhaps a massive asteroid, far larger than the one that killed the dinosaurs, slams into the moon with such force that it fundamentally alters its trajectory. We're talking about an impact so powerful it would be visible from Earth, lighting up the night sky like a second sun. Whatever the cause, the result is the same. The moon, which has orbited Earth faithfully for billions of years, begins its final journey. A journey that will take weeks and end in absolute annihilation. At first, nobody notices. The change is so slight that even astronomers might miss it for the first day or two. But soon, someone checks the data and realizes something impossible is happening. The moon is moving toward Earth. The news breaks simultaneously across every continent. Governments scramble, scientists debate, religious leaders pray. But there's nothing anyone can do. We don't have the technology to stop a celestial body weighing 73 trillion tons. By the end of week 1, the moon is noticeably larger in the sky. People can't look away. It's hypnotic, beautiful, and absolutely deadly. But the real terror hasn't even started yet. You see, the moon's gravitational pull on Earth is already strong enough to move entire oceans. That's what causes tides. Now imagine that gravitational force doubling, then tripling, then increasing tenfold as the moon gets closer. The oceans are about to go berserk. By week 2, the oceanic devastation begins. Tides that normally rise and fall a few meters are now surging to heights of 30, 50, 100 meters. Entire coastal cities vanish beneath walls of water that move inland for hundreds of kilometers. New York, London, Tokyo, Mumbai, Sydney, Rio de Janeiro, gone. Billions of people flee inland, creating the largest mass migration in human history. Roads are jammed, airports are overwhelmed. Society begins to collapse under the pressure. But the water isn't the only problem. Earth's crust begins to respond to the increased gravitational stress. Earthquakes erupt across every continent. Not magnitude 6 or 7, but magnitude 9 and higher. The ground itself tears open. Volcanic systems that have been dormant for thousands of years roar back to life. The Pacific Ring of Fire explodes in a chain reaction of volcanic eruptions. Ash clouds begin to fill the atmosphere. The air becomes difficult to breathe. And still, the moon comes closer. Now we reach a critical threshold in physics called the Roche limit. This is the minimum distance a celestial body can approach another without being torn apart by tidal forces. For the Earth-Moon system, that distance is approximately 18,470 kilometers, about 5% of the original distance. When the Moon crosses this invisible line, something extraordinary happens. Earth's gravity, which is stronger than the Moon's own gravity, begins to pull harder on the near side of the Moon than the far side. The Moon starts to stretch. Cracks appear on its surface, massive rifts hundreds of kilometers long. And then it breaks. The Moon doesn't crash into Earth as one solid object. Instead, it disintegrates into billions of fragments. Imagine looking up and seeing a ring system forming around Earth in real time, like Saturn's rings, but made of lunar rock and debris. For a brief moment, it's the most beautiful thing humanity has ever witnessed. The sky is filled with glowing fragments, creating an aurora of destruction. But this beauty is the harbinger of extinction, because what goes up must come down. And when mountain-sized chunks of the Moon start raining from the sky, nothing on Earth's surface will survive. The bombardment begins. Lunar fragments enter Earth's atmosphere at speeds exceeding 25,000 kilometers per hour. The atmospheric friction is so intense that the meteors glow white-hot, turning the sky into a ceiling of fire. Each impact releases energy equivalent to hundreds of nuclear bombs. When a fragment the size of a city block hits the ground, everything within 500 kilometers is instantly vaporized. The shockwave circles the globe multiple times. The kinetic energy from thousands of these impacts heats the entire atmosphere. The air temperature rises to 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to ignite wood. Every forest on Earth spontaneously catches fire. The oceans begin to boil. Any living thing on the surface is cooked alive. The atmosphere fills with so much debris, smoke, and vaporized rock that it becomes unbreathable. What little oxygen remains is quickly consumed by the global firestorm. Even if you somehow survived underground, you'd have no surface to return to. This isn't just an extinction event. This is planetary sterilization. In a matter of hours, 4.5 billion years of evolutionary history is erased. After the bombardment ends, silence falls over Earth. But it's not the peaceful silence of night, it's the silence of death. The sun, which has nurtured life on this planet for billions of years, is now completely blocked by a shroud of debris that encircles the entire globe. Earth plunges into what scientists call an impact winter. Temperatures plummet to minus 50 degrees Celsius or lower. Any water that hasn't boiled away turns to ice. This darkness won't last for months, it will last for decades, possibly centuries. Photosynthesis stops. The food chain collapses immediately. Even the microscopic organisms in the ocean, which produce most of Earth's oxygen, begin to die off. The planet's life support system shuts down. Any humans who survived the initial bombardment in deep bunkers would face an impossible choice: stay underground forever with limited supplies, or emerge to a world that cannot sustain life. Either way, humanity's extinction is just a matter of time. So that's the answer to our terrifying question: what if the Moon crashed into Earth? The result is nothing short of complete planetary annihilation. But here's the beautiful irony. This scenario makes us appreciate what we have right now. The good news? The Moon's orbit is actually getting farther from Earth, not closer, about 3.8 centimeters per year. So you can sleep soundly tonight, knowing our cosmic companion is exactly where it should be. The Moon has protected us for billions of years, and it will continue to do so for billions more. Every time you look up at that silver disk in the night sky, remember, it's not just beautiful, it's the guardian that makes life on Earth possible. If this video gave you a new appreciation for our Moon, hit that like button. Subscribe for more mind-bending scenarios that make you think. And let me know in the comments, what cosmic disaster should we explore next? Black hole near Earth? Sun dying? You decide. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the universe is vast, terrifying, and absolutely fascinating. I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, everyone.